Old Pro Tattoo Aftercare was created by a seasoned tattoo artist with over 3 decades of experience. Someone who knows the difference between ink that heals beautifully and ink that fades away. Unlike mass-produced corporate brands that don't truly understand tattooed skin, Old Pro Tattoo Aftercare is formulated with precision. Our products are designed to reduce irritation, prevent infection, and lock in vibrant color, using only the purest ingredients. Working hand in hand with top medical skincare experts, we developed an FDA-approved formula that combines the science of skincare with the art of tattooing. Old Pro Tattoo Aftercare is the first of its kind, a professional-grade aftercare system designed by someone who lives and breathes tattoo culture. Don't settle for one-size-fits-all solutions made by companies with no skin in the game. Trust the brand that's been there, in the chair, perfecting the craft and understanding your needs. As a veteran tattoo artist with over 30 years of experience, I know exactly what your tattoo needs to heal perfectly. That's why I teamed up with the top medical laboratory to create Old Pro Tattoo Aftercare, a product line specifically designed for tattooed skin. Unlike the many products out there made by big corporations with no real tattoo experience, Old Pro is made by someone who spent decades in the tattoo industry. I've seen what works and what doesn't, and I've poured all that knowledge into these products. Our FDA-approved antibacterial wash and healing lotion are crafted with the highest standards to ensure your tattoo heals safely and stays vibrant. We use only the best ingredients, avoiding the harsh chemicals and unnecessary fillers you find in other products. When you choose Old Pro Tattoo Aftercare, you're choosing a product that's been created by someone who truly understands tattoos, working in tandem with experts in medical skincare. Old Pro Tattoo Aftercare, heal like a pro.